Let's go to number 5. There are two givens here. Let's write those. This is line 7. RT is congruent to RV. Let's mark the image. RT is congruent to RV. That's given. Angle measurement of angle TRS is equal to the measurement of angle VRS. You can't mark it until you get here. This is the congruency. So this is definition of congruent angles, right? TRS, which is this angle, is equal to VRS, right? Then we have RS is equal to RS. This is by the reflexive property. This is a side. This was an angle, and this was a side. So the triangle is congruent by side, angle, side. You can go triangle TRS is congruent to triangle VRS. Then the parts RST is congruent to RSV by CPCTC.